Hey everyone, good morning. Getting ready to start my morning. Washing my face. Yeah, I see that upside down. Alright, so I'm here getting food together to get dinner started. Today's dinner is going to be curry goat and some chicken. I wasn't sure about what I'm going to do with the chicken. There goes the goat, there goes the chicken. Don't mind me because I was reading something on there. I don't remember what I was reading on my screen. Time to get started. It took me a minute to get started because I had to get something to eat. And I just went downstairs to get my morning started. So that's me just getting everything together that I needed. Now it's time to clean up this meat. Now, let me just tell y'all, it's important that y'all wash y'all meat. I use either lemon or lime, whatever I have available. So I had some lime in the fridge, and that's what I'm using to wash my goat to get it seasoned. I'm just reading on this. I don't know what I think I got something that came in on the phone. I'll keep on looking back at it. Don't mind me, y'all. But I'm just washing the meat, making sure it's clean, and yeah. But before that too, I thought about I had to put my peas in, so I had stopped that for a minute and got my peas into the slow cooker to go ahead and start cooking down. So the night before, I put my red kidney beans into water and garlic to let it sit for a little bit overnight and get that nice garlic taste to the beans, and also that will incorporate into the rice as well. Oh, so delicious, y'all. The house was just smelling like garlic and just fresh garlic. It smells good. And when you taste the rice, you could taste the garlic into the rice. So now I'm just gathering all my seasoning, some to put into the rice with the peas and some for the meat. What I just showed you, that gray seasoning, is going to be going into the rice, and also I'm going to be using it for the rest of the meat as well. I typically season my rice, and so I'm making rice and peas, or peas and rice, however you want to put it, and it really comes out really good. I also add scallion and thyme into the pot for the slow cooker to give the flavor to the rice, and I add that stuff later on. I don't add it while I put the peas on to cook. I did go ahead and put some extra garlic in there to give it flavor as well, but it was not like clearing up. I'm trying to get y'all to see what I'm showing y'all. Now it's time to season my meat. So I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm using in my meat, my goat meat, to season my meat because it came out so delicious. My husband absolutely loved it, and the kids as well. So just follow instructions and you will see. Okay, so in my seasoning, what I put was garlic. I love garlic, y'all, so don't come for me. I put garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, and those are like the ground seasoning. Okay, the powder seasoning, turmeric, curry powder, also slap your mama, and also what else did I use? Another like Jamaican season, gray seasoning. Okay, so just I'm gonna show you guys. Just look at it, and you guys can use whatever like what I use to make y'all curry chicken. Let me know. Like, did y'all curry chicken come out like mine? Not curry chicken, curry goat. Oh my god, curry goat. Y'all curry goat. Because I'm showing you guys everything here. Okay. So I realized I didn't show you guys what the goat looked like prior to seasoning, and this is what it looks like prior to, you putting any seasoning on. Let's continue with the seasoning. Now I'm putting the garlic, the thyme, the sweet pepper, the onion, and I'm going to incorporate all of that and mix it together. That's what I am. Hey, buddy. So what I learned when I grew up is that you put Irish potato, into your goat when you're cooking it. Okay, so I did let the goat cook a little bit before adding the potatoes, but you don't want to add it earlier on because it will get all mushy and you won't have no potatoes. So do not put your potatoes in when you put it on the stove. Okay, I did not cook my goat on top of the stove. I cooked it in the oven and it came out just good. I did make some chicken to go with dinner, and I made some baked chicken. This is what it looked like. And this is the finishing touch, you guys, of the meal. The goat, the chicken. I made some potato salad and rice and peas and beans. Stay tuned, you guys, for more videos. Bye.